As anyone who does tractor stuff probably knows, it is a pain in the butt to get on and off your tractor, lowering, raising your top link to get all the pressure off to be able to take any implement off. With the Garvee new 3-point quick connect, I don't have to put myself in danger, and I can be safe while I do it, and it's a lot quicker, a lot easier. It comes with all the pins you need. I have a whole nother hitch attachment that I have to take on and off. It basically cuts me out a whole attachment. I have already got a hitch here, moving trailers and camper. I use it a lot to move camper around. That's it. That's it. That's it. Easy money. Dude, I almost was about to start unhooking stuff. Like, oh wait, I don't have to.
Currently, there are 70 units in stock. The last time we did this video, these sold out in 12 hours. Here's your chance to get one now. Click the orange shopping cart and check out.